Hey traders, let me share some trades with you that I've taken in the last probably say week or couple of weeks now. Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Hey traders, I've just recorded the video walking you through all the details and steps to the blast off trading system. You're going to absolutely love this. To get access to this blast off trading system, click on the box above that says blast off trading system to get access to it now. Alright, so the purpose for this video, guys, okay, the purpose for this video is to share with you what I normally put out on YouTube, alright? It's just a market update. I talk about silver and I talk about the VIX and that sort of stuff. But that is just a small percent of my trades. As I said before, guys, it's all about the money management. All right. I normally take around 5% of my account and I place the trades like I normally. I have good stop money management. Most of my trades are small losses and the profit's a lot bigger. And I just keep taking trades. Okay, guys. So I want you guys to understand this one thing. I'm doing this video I'm doing this video to share with you that I don't just take those trades. I'm an active investor myself. Make sense? Or I'm an active trader myself. Now, the trades I'm about to share with you guys, don't get into it because I have a whole system that it would probably take me, take me a while to actually walk you through the step by step process of exactly what I'm looking for each individual trade. But I'm just showing you some trades that I'm either in still right now, or I was in but now I'm out in the last couple of weeks. Make sense, guys? Now, as I said before, guys, I have money management for me is very, very crucial. So 5% of my account goes on these trades. And I'm a very, very active trader. And you don't realize it, but he's like, oh John, 5%, that's not much. It's like, but 5%, as I said before, guys, that I want you guys to understand something here, okay? And again, I didn't really want to do this sort of video because I'm just like, it's whatever. I don't have to prove anything to anyone. I know what I do. But what I said before, guys, is that I have my whole pie here. 100% of my pie is obviously, is obviously that, you know what I mean? So that's 100% of, say, obviously my trading account. I'm going to take off 5%. All right, so let's just use a smaller number here for an example. Let's just say $100,000. No, let's actually make it much smaller than that. Say $10,000. Just say my whole account was $10,000. All right, and this is the very, very, very important thing here, guys. Okay, I'm going to take off $500, and I'm going to place a trade. And as you can see with this arrow here, I actually placed that trade right there. Again, it was an options trade. Okay, it was an options trade. I like trading options. I'm not going to get into, do I buy it out? Do I buy in? Do I buy it out of the money? How much time do I buy? Again, guys, I'm not going to get into all of that. I'm just trying to give you the basics to run down to share with you guys. I do active trading behind the scenes of what you guys see. Okay. So I'll take that $500. Now, if I have a 20% stop out, what is my account down? $100. Say $105 with brokerage. I know it's not that expensive, but just say it's $105. All right. So my account's down $100 out of 10,000. Do you see how that's not going to hurt me? But the thing is, guys, is that my average win rate is like 3 times that. So say $300. Now, again, guys, say $300 minus a bit of, just say $300 minus a bit of brokerage. Now, if my average win is say 3 times that, guys, then guess what? Then the thing is that that's 3% of the account. That's 3% on the account. What if I did that and overall I had that times 20? Do you see what I'm saying there, guys? It's like, it's not that difficult overall. You've just got to be very quick. Like, I'm very, very quick to get out of my trades. If I'm wrong, I'm very quick to get out of them. If it's that style of trade. But the VIX trade and the silver trade, it's not like that. Okay, they're just not like that. They are, for me, the VIX trade. I'm just, if I don't get out of the VIX, I'm just rolling it out, because I know we're probably going to see a 90 VIX probably sometime next year, and I'm at the very moment I'm rolling some of my VIX out into a lot more time. I think March, April next year now, because I know when we do get that 90 spike, and it's going to happen. We do know that. I'm going to make a couple of thousand or over 1,000% return on my trade. So even if I have been losing 10, 20%, all that sort of stuff, if I do roll it over, it's going to be fine. Again, that's my investment decision based on the VIX and based on silver. But I'm sharing with you what I'm doing here with my other trades. And so again, and you can see the average, say $300 times 2, or times 20, or times 10. So 3%, and just say, over a couple of months, I have 10 of those trades. Now my account's up 30%. Stop trying to, guys, the thing is this, is that stop trying to make 1,000% return on your account and trying to put all your money on one big trade. I think that's what a lot of people do. And there's like, boom, gone skis. Okay, guys, so that's the very important thing I want you guys to understand, okay? Again, I'm trading options. I'm not telling you what to trade. I'm not even going to tell you the system here because I'm not going to give you financial advice, over or tell you exactly when to get in, exactly when to get out. No, that's where education really comes into it. That's what my coaching is. If you really want my coaching, then click on that link below. I'm about to take that 50% off sale down by the wayside, guys. So if you really want that, then click on that, and because after this weekend, guys, I'm going to take it down. And then the rest of the people, they're just going to pay the normal price. Anyway. So I hope you can see that. So I'm going to walk you through. I want you guys to understand that, and that's how you continue to slowly grow your account like that. Now it doesn't mean that I don't have many losing trades, but what happens is, guys, is that because I'm really good with my money management, I will actually hold on. I will actually because I'm really good with my money management and my trade management. Money management and trade management is really quickly. Doesn't mean I don't have losing trades. I'll give you an example. A while ago, I took about a month off trading because I just took some time off, and I came back and my first trade was a 5% loss. The first trade here was, say, a 5% loss. Now remember, guys, that was 5% of the 5%. Makes sense? Because remember, I take 5% of my account and I had a 5% loss. Second trade here was a 20% loss of the 5%. Third trade was, say, a 10% loss. The fourth trade was, say, about, let's just say another, say, 15% loss. I think altogether I was around about 60%. About 60% altogether here. 60% of these down. So it was it was about 3% of my account was down after those 4 trades losing. But guess what? The fifth trade came back and I made an 80% profit. Made all my losses back, and now my account was slightly green. So my account was looking like this, and then boom, my account was green. Guess what? My sixth trade was a 60% profit, and now my account went back up again. So again, guys, if you're looking at my account, if this is starting point here, when I came back, yeah, I had 1, 2, 3, 4 losing trades, and my account went down a little bit, and then suddenly boom, it shot back up with one profitable trade, and then it shot back up again with another profitable trade. And now, as you can see, now the account's growing, and then it just continues to do stuff like that. I'm trying to share with you guys, this is the method, but there's so much more other processes. There's being patient, waiting for the setup, quick to get out when you're wrong, and all that sort of stuff. It's just so important as a trader. And sometimes, guys, no, I don't get it always right, but I'm always continuing to try to harness my skills on getting in, getting out when I should be. As in, like, I think the most important thing, guys, is that if you get in, you need to be quick to get out. So I walked through some trades, guys, that I've taken over this last couple of weeks, and I'll just share with you. So for example, this one here was just a really nice setup. Again, I'm not going to go through the exact setup that I look at because I look at multiple different charts, multiple different time frames, daily, weeklies. I look at some indicators as well too. But I'm just going to walk you through some trades to show you that, hey, I'm an active trader behind the scenes as well. All right. So I got in on this nice big breakdown bar through here. I got in on that one there. The market dropped down, it came back up, and now I'm actually still in it right now as I speak. All right, so I'm actually still in this one right now. This one here is about a 10 or so % profit right now for me. All right, makes sense? Let's go through here. This one here, I got in on this one here. This one here was this was actually this big down bar through here, and I got in on this day through here. And so I don't always get them right, guys. But again, I knew when the market ran up, market ran down, and and then as soon as I got in, we spent 1, 2, 3, 4 days going up, and now we're starting to roll back over again. But again, guys, if I look at this chart, to me, I was very, very, very happy getting in on this bar, and I was watching to see what the price action was doing. Make sense? So this is another trade that I'm still in right now. Let's go through a couple of trades that I've just gotten out of. This very first one here, and this is actually one of the most powerful setups that I actually take. This particular setup here, and I got in on this bar through here, and I got out somewhere around about up here for a really, really nice profit. Again, trading options. The market came down, it came back up on this bar through here. At the end of the close, I got in. The market ran up. I held on to it, and then it was this day here, which was yesterday. I got out of a nice profit. So this one, I forget the actual profit here, but again, guys, when I say the average profit is like 60% return, or about 60% return or 80% return, that doesn't mean every single trade. Some of these trades can make 100% return. Some of these trades can make 50% return. You know what I mean? But if I average it out, it's about that 60 to 80% now. Makes sense, guys? So that's basically what I'm looking at there. And there's just a few trades that I've gotten out of just recently myself as well too. And here is another one that I'm actually still in right now as I speak. This is TD. Now, I don't know what's going to happen with this one, and I was very, very tempted to get out of it this morning, but I'm going to see what happens on Monday. So it was actually this nice sort of triangle pattern again, and this bar through here, that bar through there, that's where I got in. The market dropped down. I was giving it one more day, and it held, and the market just took off, and now it's slowly been going up and up and up and up. And this one here is about a 20 or so % profit again on that particular option that I got. So guys, I hope you can see that when I say I do so many more other trades behind the scenes that you guys don't see, I really do mean that. Because I don't want to bog you down, because again, guys, telling you where I get in, where I get out, it doesn't mean anything. But giving you some general market updates and really helping you with your charting analysis and stuff like that, that's where it matters. That's where it's at. You know what I mean? And that's how you really move forward. So anyway, guys, I'm out of here. As I said before, guys, that 50% off sale is coming down this weekend. Last time. So, last weekend. So if you're really interested in getting my coaching personally, there is a 50% off that coaching call. Click on the link below right now. Click on the description below, and you'll be able to get that as we speak. So anyway, guys, remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, face your fears today. I'm not going to BS you here. Trading is hard. Over my 10 years of trading, I've learned some amazing systems and strategies, and I've put it all in my brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls course. And I'm giving you 100% free access. This whole course is 12 videos long and almost 10 hours of the best systems and strategies that I know. Click on the image below now to get 100% free access right now.